one thing that I don't get is the whole crossing the road system thing here. I literally nearly died. Hi and welcome to my vlog. My name is Sinead. Today is I don't even know why I'm looking around, like I don't know what day it is. It's my birthday! And I'm in LA. Yep, so today is the 1st of November 2018 and this is my first time coming to LA. I'm pretty much in my Airbnb that I booked with this really nice host. I met her last night when I arrived. I arrived in LA yesterday around, I think it was like around 4 LA time, so in the UK that was like around like 10:30, 11 p.m. Forgive me if my time zones and maths is really wrong on that. Today is basically my first full day, so because it's my birthday I've got like a whole bunch of things planned for today. Literally going to probably start off with sightseeing around downtown LA, so follow me on my vlog journey of my first time in LA all by myself on a solo trip. At the moment I'm dressed, face isn't done, needs to get done. I'm actually running late, and if you know me, which most of my friends do and obviously you guys don't because this is my very first vlog, I am really bad with timekeeping. So I booked, my first thing that I booked to do today was to go to the Broad Museum, which is something that I'm super excited to go and see, just because I've heard so much about it and I've done a little bit of research and it just looks amazing from the little things I have seen, but I've tried not to look at too much things for the sheer fact that I just want to really like have it be first time experience and enjoy it. So I'm supposed to be there at 11:30. It's actually 11:32, so yeah, I'm late. But because I thought I might be late, I actually booked when I was in London a 12 p.m. or a 12 noon, sorry, ticket as well, which I also don't think I'm going to make because hence I haven't done my face, and it's pretty much, you know, traffic can be crazy in LA. It's my first day, I don't really know if I'm going to be able to make it there for 12, so I've just gone in again and booked another ticket for 1:30. Luckily enough they had loads of tickets left. Tickets are free, so if you haven't been to the Broad before or you're thinking about going or coming to LA and wanting to visit, tickets are free. It's a free museum. And yes, I booked tickets for 1:30 and hopefully I can basically get my face done, get something to eat because I'm secretly really hungry, and basically get there on time with basically time to spare is what I'm hoping. So wish me luck. I'm pretty much going to probably do a real quick get ready with me face routine. Oh, music. I don't know why I'm playing myself. I've got a new phone. I recently just upgraded to the S9 Plus. So it's one of those ones where I'm still getting used to like where the home button is and where the unlock screen is. Because before that I had the S7 Edge and the home button was on the front, and the fingerprint sensor was there, but now it's obviously on the back of the phone. So it's just getting to grips with that really. But yeah. It's like mash up my new phone. I'm so angry as well because I have Apple Music, but for some reason since coming to transferring all my phone data over and then coming to LA, it just isn't working. I didn't want to bring anything bulky when I was coming on this trip, so I literally have like this really cute tiny little speaker that I basically bought when I went to Venice with my really good friend Kelly. I think like last year. We both got one, so it's kind of cool. Like, it's small, miniature, and it's just handy if you're on the go, and if you don't, like, if I lose it, like, I don't really mind, like, but it plays music quite loud, so because it's my birthday. It's your birthday.
Always on the edge, we fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, but still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow.
done now. Face is all done. Jewelry's all on. So I'm good to go. Pretty much gonna set my bag and order my lift, take me to the road. Doing good for time, it's 12:56, so hopefully you can grab something really quickly to eat and then just kind of go in or just eat afterwards, to be honest. Okay, so basically just walked to the sitting room really quickly, and this is what I've got going on today. Let me just flip you down and around. Okay, so this is basically my outfit for today. Birthday outfit. Okay, so I've made it to outside the road. I'm literally just got out my Uber and I'm gonna basically go into the road now really quickly. I'm in downtown LA.
Looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the...
Okay, so I'm in the Broad Museum and just behind me is the tulip display. Like, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. This museum is actually amazing. Like, I generally feel like a little geek. Like, it's so good what it has here, and the fact that it's free, it's like, hello, it's so amazing. Like, I literally could sleep here. That's how in love with this museum I'm in. So I'm pretty much going up to the next floor to go and have a look at what they've got going on up there. But what I've seen so far, mind blown.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
Seeing the road system thing here, I literally nearly died. It is so confusing, but basically I'm now at Grand Market Central to grab something to eat. I pretty much got told to come here, so I'm just gonna grab something to eat because I'm starving and like getting over my fear of nearly dying in the road.
You can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black ties.
What is a coincidence to be in LA and meet two cuties from London? Kind of pretty much got back home and taken off my makeup. I'm literally gonna go to bed. I'm so tired. It's now 1:28 in the morning, so it really is bedtime because tomorrow I've got to basically get to the Hollywood Wax Museum for an Airbnb experience that I booked, which starts at 9, so I need to get some sleep right now and also figure out what I'm going to wear for tomorrow. But yeah, today was a good day. Birthday. Good day. I'm literally tired and conking out and can't even really string a sentence together. But basically after meeting up with the girls, we went for hookah. We pretty much scooted on over to the Laugh Factory and met some really funny people. Laughed loads. I almost want to go to bed. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So bye. So right now I'm basically doing an Airbnb experience where you basically get Instagrammable photos. I'm with a group of 4 other people, so it's 5 of us in total. We're basically now at the LYFT installation. So we're just doing a little bit of picture taking.
Miss nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong. It's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
So it's me again, I'm back. It's day 3 of my vlogging experience. Yesterday I didn't really vlog too much of the day, just because I was kind of going around like a little bit of a tour. I know I probably should have, because I was going around on a tour, but I kind of was doing that mainly on my Snapchat. So I didn't actually really vlog any of yesterday. Tonight I'm basically ready to go to Sugarfish for dinner. So I'm going to the one in Beverly Hills, and I might meet out with a few friends and then get something to eat and just kind of have a chilled one. I also have a story time for you, because I actually tried my DBs and also I'm going to try my edibles as well. So we might have a story time, such a kind of watch me get high kind of moment. But yeah, see you later. Outfit. Basically got ripped jeans on. Pretty cash, pretty simple.
So we're moving this colorful night.
All the way down to the lights here at night time, and you can't actually stand next to them because they're going to like this museum, so it's basically behind me. So I'm a little bit pissed, I can't lie, because I always have pictures in front of it with the lights on.
That's a good day.
So at the minute I'm in downtown LA, and I'm at the Food Truck Festival. I really don't know how to pronounce it. It's called Smorgasburg, and I basically just got from Workaholic some really cute chicken curry dumplings. So I'm literally about to tuck in.
Something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. And myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who